Aduh, esok due date assignment pula bah mau hantar. Aduh, sakit kepala saya buat assignment. Haalah, nasib baik ada headphone Basus N-Shock D02 Pro.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Nurul Hatijah binti Jalal. Nombor kad matriks BE19110582. Hari ini saya akan review satu produk, yaitu headphone dari jenama Basus dan merupakan model D02 Pro.
Basus N-Shock D02 is high-quality wireless Bluetooth 5.0 stereo headset offers you remarkable sound quality. It is also enhanced noise reduction, good choice for listening music, watching movie, and answering phone calls. This headphone also built-in microphone makes hands-free call easy, which is 360-degree microphone accurately capture the sound. Thank you guys for watching.